Guys, I got this it's I don't know if these are vintage, but I got this at the auction many years ago. And it's the glass. There's a red in here, and it's like a red and pink. It's a red pink rhinestone. It's kind of pretty triangle. And I just open up the I just open up, but anyway, there's no name, I think. But it's kind of pretty pink, and it's gonna have the thread because it come. Yes, wait. I got this at the auction. See, I still have the number of the, like back then I always go to the auction, and like you have the number of the other people. This is from people. This is their number when you go auction, but I'm not gonna show the number. Anyway, it come with this box. It come with this box when I got it. It's like a cute box. But anyway, I even forgot the locks of this because I never really look at for a long time my stuff. So now I'm in the mode of taking photos and videos. I'm ready. So in case I'm selling stuff, then I already have photo. It's kind of nice when you have a photo that's ready and put in your album. And anyway, that's just the thread that's from the cushion, because this one has the cushion so that you don't get old quick the jewelry. But it's kind of pretty, guys, so I forgot. I have a lot of stuff to sell. Back then I just did not take a video and photos, and so now I'm kinda in the mode of taking photo and videos. And this is the box. This is there's like that's the clasp. And I'm here. The table is not in here, so that's why I just have my plastic tab here and stuff, my other equipment here. And that's what it look like. It's really, I'm gonna wear this. It's kinda dusty. So anyway, it's kind of pretty. I think this is a vintage thing. Yeah, it's a clip-on earrings. And vintage. I think it's vintage, but I never see like this before. So that's a clip. And I like the color pink and red. That's my favorite. But I just like the triangle shape. So anyway, yes, really sparkle, guys. Yes, wait. It's gonna do like this so that I can see the sparkle. Yes, wait. Maybe I'm putting the earrings and the necklace. Yes, wait. Oh yeah, I need to put a little farther. Sorry about this. This black. It's kind of like a cottony thing, or like a velvet. So I have a mannequin over there. Supposed to be I'm gonna mannequin to over there, but I just use this one for now. I bought like a bust mannequin. It's over there, but it's a stand up one. I can put in the table. Ay, sorry guys. Sorry guys, it pulled down. Just wait. Oh no. So back then when sometimes, guys, like back then when I win at the auction, guys, like like sometimes I win the box, like jewelry box, like like I win a jewelry box, and then in the box sometimes the box. I only want them for like $10 or depends, $20. But there's a lot of like vintage, because it's come from like people that's from the nursing home, the older people. And sometimes I found a gold bracelet and a gold ring and stuff. So that's why I get accumulated this jewelry I have that's from auction back then. And so you know so now I have a lot of video and stuff. So you know sometimes you don't make money if you don't post for sale. But I know, you know like I need money to so that I can have a, because my money I've been putting in this I buy back then. So but once I sell it, I get my money back. So but anyway, I hope you like it. I have more video yet. Okay, it's sunny outside, guys. See, I just put the curtain because it's really nice when see, I just put the, see, it sparkle in the sunshine. But it's so bright in here. If I open the curtain. Okay, see you later.